Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today's video is going to feature some long to short hair transformations. First up, we have a lob haircut, absolutely gorgeous classic black lob. And then the stylist did add some waves for some texture. Gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we move on to a haircut and hair color transformation. Beautiful French girl style bob. Wow, absolutely gorgeous pixie. Followed by another pixie haircut transformation. This one features lots of volume, choppy layers, and long bangs in the front. Then we have more of like that pixie bob look. Very pretty color mixture with this hairstyle. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.